Ready to start earning with FlexClip? Let's walk through creating affiliate links, grabbing banners, and finding promo codes, all in one quick guide. Logging in and joining the program. First, head to awin.com and log into your publisher account. Once you're in, go to your accounts and click your name to enter the dashboard. This is your command center for all things affiliate marketing. Not yet a FlexClip affiliate? Click Advertisers in the top menu, then select Join Programs. Search for Pearl Mountain Limited, that's FlexClip's parent company. In the search results, simply click the plus button in the Actions column to join the affiliate program. Once approved, you're all set. Creating affiliate links. Creating your affiliate link is easy. Just hover over the Toolbox tab in the top menu, then select Link Builder. You'll see all your approved advertisers here. Select Pearl Mountain Limited and open its profile to view its profile. This page shows everything you need: terms, commission rates, and performance stats. Scroll down to find FlexClip's website link. Copy the URL you want to promote, maybe the homepage or a specific tool page. Pro tip: homepage and tool pages often convert better. Now, paste that URL into Awin's link builder and hit Generate Link. And there you have it. Your tracking link now appears below, with your affiliate ID automatically included. You can either use the full link right away, or hit Shorten Link for a tidier version, great for tweets or ads. Both versions will track all your referrals seamlessly. Want more options? Here you can create HTML banners or QR codes, great for blogs, websites, or even printed materials. Getting text links and image banners. Need ready-made ads? Go to Toolbox and find My Creative. Under Type section, select Text Link or Image Banner. Then in Advertisers, search Pearl Mountain Limited and click Filter to find available creatives. Here you can click View Details to check the specifications, then click Copy Code to grab the HTML for your site or blog. Finding promo codes. Want to promote special discounts? Open the Toolbox and select My Offers. In the From Advertisers section, type Pearl Mountain Limited, then hit Filter. You'll now see all active promo codes available to share with your audience. That's everything. Now you can create links, use banners, and share promo codes, all to boost your FlexClip commissions. Happy promoting!